So the three different bodies that you'll come into contact with at the University of Cambridge are the university itself, your department, which is the subject-based organisation, and your college. So the university is the umbrella that covers everything. You'll get your degree from the university, and there's also lots of centralised support and a central students' union, so financial and welfare support, and decisions about exams will be taken at that level. So the department is more subject specific. The department will have its own library, and it's also where you might have lectures. So for me, my department is the Faculty of Law, which has its own building, its own library and its own lecture theatres, and I also sit my exams in that building. And so subject specific support you'll get through your department. And some departments, on top of lectures, also organise things like labs and practicals for more science-based subjects, and some departments organise supervisions as well. Colleges, on the other hand, are probably more day-to-day, what you'll be familiar with. So you'll live, sleep and eat in college most of the time, and you'll probably go to the college library, the college bar, and you'll get to know the porters and the college authorities quite well. And a lot of social events might take place in college as well. Then there is also the academic support provided to you by the college, so you'll have what's called a Director of Studies probably within your college, although it does depend on the subject, and some supervisions in college as well.